In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Node.js on your Mac computer using Homebrew. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open the terminal from this Spotlight search. I'm going to click over there and very shortly Spotlight search will be there. Now here we just need to type terminal and very shortly we'll see terminal application is there. Just double click over there and very shortly you'll see terminal is open. Now I'm going to increase the font size a little bit so that it is easy to read. Now to install the Node.js using Homebrew, at first we need to check whether is there any update or not. So I'm going to type one command like Homebrew, not Homebrew, brew, then update, and then hit return key of my keyboard. And here it is showing like updating Homebrew already up to date. So that means we don't need to update anything. Now to install Homebrew, we just need to type three keywords. One is brew, then install, and we are trying to install Node.js, right? So we have to type node, then we have to hit return key of our keyboard, and very shortly you'll see that it is installing the Node.js, and it will take some time to finish the installation. Now let's check the versions. So to check the versions of Node.js, we have to type the command node dash 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 version and hit return key of our keyboard, and very shortly we'll see the version of Node.js. So it is 24.10.0. Now let's check whether is npm is installed properly or not. So I'm going to type another command npm and dash space dash dash version and hit return key of our keyboard, and here I see the npm is also installed. And that's it. In this way we can easily install the Node.js on our Mac computer, and then we can also check the version to verify whether it is installed properly or not, and also what is the version I'm running on my Mac. I mean, what is the Node version I'm running on my Mac.